Hello everybody, Kemo Sabi here, coming at you with another video. So this one's off of Apsari webpage, published on August 24th, 2018, with the topic of 400-year-old shark found in the Arctic could be the oldest living vertebrate. A 400-year-old Greenland shark, which would have reached sexual maturity about 150 years, sets a new record for being the oldest living vertebrate. Scientists have made a startling discovery where they have found a shark whose age was estimated to be at least 392 years. Yes, a Greenland shark has been found in the Arctic region and could very well be the oldest living vertebrate on the planet. The research is published in the journal Science. The researchers have measured the creature and estimated that it could be born as early as 1505. Known to live in temperatures less than -1 degree Celsius, these creatures can swim as deep as 7,200 feet and weigh more than a ton. According to reports, the shark measured 18 feet in length. It is this length which reportedly can mean that the shark can be anywhere between 272 and 512 years old, as this species grows at a rate of 1 centimeters a year. It is the oldest among the 28 Greenland sharks that are analyzed. These sharks have estimated lifespan about 400 years, and they spend their time swimming around looking for mates. But determining the exact age of the Greenland shark is a tricky business. Researchers use a technique called eye lens radiocarbon dating. The eye lenses of all vertebrates continue to grow with the animal throughout its life, adding layers like an onion. In the late 1950s, atmospheric tests of thermonuclear weapons caused a big and easily detectable spike in the amount of radiocarbon that eventually made its way into the sea. Scientists call this bump the bomb pulse, and it has become a handy way to verify the age of marine organisms. If the amount of radiocarbon in a shark's lenses represents post-bomb pulse levels, that's a pretty clear indicator that the animal was born after 1960s. Researchers found that the eye lens proteins of the two smallest of the 28 Greenland sharks have the highest levels of carbon, 14, suggesting that they were born after the early 1960s. The third smallest shark, however, had carbon 14 levels only slightly above those of the 25 larger sharks, hinting that it was actually born in the early 1960s. It's not totally clear why Greenland sharks live for so long. Scientists postulate that it may be in their genes, or it could be the fact that they live in relatively cold temperatures and have a slow metabolism. The distribution of this species is mostly restricted to the waters of the North Atlantic Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The Greenland shark is an apex predator and mostly eats fish. It has never been observed hunting. Recorded fish prey have included smaller sharks, skates, eels, herring, capelin, Arctic char, cod, rosefish, sculpins, limpfish, wolffish, and flounder. Greenland sharks have also been found with remains of seals, polar bears, horses, moose, and reindeer. In one case, an entire reindeer body in their stomachs. The Greenland shark is known to be a scavenger and is attracted by the smell of rotting meat in the water. We might have no exact idea about the reason behind these mysterious creatures for their long lives, but what we can hope is that these vertebrates will boost conservation efforts to protect the species and its habitat. Now that we have found these majestic creatures, it is now up to us to preserve these animals for future generations. So there you have it, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed the little write-up about the shark. The image of it will be in the thumbnail, and I'll try and pick you a good one that shows the entire body so you kind of have a perspective of really how big this guy is. So thanks a lot, everybody. It'd be awesome if you subscribe, and great if you'd leave me some comments. Kemo Sabi out, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.